Christmas, and I still have my decorations in, but I don't give a shit. We're gonna leave them in because I like them just for a few days. But yeah, so that's why I have all my Christmas stuff in there. Check out my website, Reckless.Raquel.com. I did release stickers a little bit ago. It says more boost to get loose. It has the little tire marks in the background. And it's super cool. So if you want one, go check it out. Everything is free shipping. Okay, let's get some E85. Fuck. Bruh, what the fuck? What am I wearing? Bitch. Let's go. Ooh, about full, baby. much for me. Too many people everywhere. Everywhere I go. Everyone in Florida is closed. Do not come here. We don't want you. You are not welcome. Stay away. Stay away from here. Excuse me? It's green. Yeah, you can go.
new here, it is a Huron Speed twin turbo kit. They are underneath the
stability problems, but I don't know, it's fun and I love it. And when I get axles and I get on some better tires, then I can bring it back to the track. Also, my track is currently shut down a few months ago, so the closest track is like 3 or 4 hours away from me now, which is not fun. I have Miami, which is like an hour or so down south, but I hate driving down south. And if you know, you know. If you live here, driving down south is not fun. So, yeah. So, that's it for this video. I pulled over because my phone ran out of storage, so I'm on the side of the road. But that's fine. So yeah, make sure you guys go check out Reckless.Raquel. If you want any stickers, I do have to get some more t-shirts in because you guys are harassing me. But I will work on that hopefully soon-ish. But I was waiting until the new year to create a new design. But yeah, make sure you guys go check out my website if you want anything. All of my socials are Reckless.Raquel, whether it's TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, all the things are Reckless.Raquel. I know this video wasn't too crazy, but I still hope you enjoyed. I hope you guys had an amazing holiday, Christmas, Thanksgiving, and have a great new year. Set some goals up for yourself and to better yourself. You know, we always want to be bettering ourselves. And what's a great time to start is New Year's and start fresh if that makes you feel better. But yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you have an amazing day, night, weekend, whenever you're watching this.